Virginia, get ready. A mighty move of God is about to hit Chesapeake, and you don't want to miss it. Join us Friday, September 12th at 7 p.m. and Saturday, September 13th at 3 p.m. for the Prophetic and Deliverance Revival at 2101 Iowa Street in Chesapeake, Virginia. Hosted by Pastors Blake and Natasha Smith, with special guest Prophet David Penland and myself, Pastor Amber Davis. We're coming together for 2 days of prophetic power, breakthrough, and deliverance. If you've been battling cycles, if you've been crying out for freedom, if you just need a fresh fire from the Lord, this is your moment. God is ready to break chains. He's ready to heal hearts, and he's ready to restore destinies. Now, bring your family, bring your friends, and everyone who needs a touch from the Lord. Free. Admission is free, but the atmosphere will be priceless. Prophetic fire, deliverance power, revival is here. We will see you there in Chesapeake.